Today we're gonna play Bet Scary. We're gonna speed run. So this guy's an idiot.
Right, stab you if you don't. I'll stab you if you do not subscribe.
Yes, please.
No, there's some. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. 17.
Let's go. Let's go. Go on. I said. Ow! I just hit my chair.
Bro, where's the monster?
Oh,
Frozen. Is the monster frozen?
oh my God! The monster's frozen.
My one is not. Monster's frozen.
Get that one.
Yeah, I basically know.
Put it in the cauldron.
Monster's in the place. You're right. Wait, I don't know this level so much. No. Dude, if you go right.
Yo.
Guys, I can't go that way.
Ow! I just hit my chair again.
Guys,
Alright.
over here.
Get the eyeball. Get the eyeball.
There's
Where's
an
Blue?
eyeball right there for me.
Come.
A big one.
There's eyeball next to the
There's
rock.
a big one right there. There's a big eyeball right there. Mine's right there. Mine's... I don't even know. Come on.
Go here. Blue. Blue. Here.
Mine's chasing yellow. Oh, I can't come.
My one's right there. My one's right there.
I just done this eyeball. I done an eyeball.
Got it.
Bro, why was my eyeball?
I put it there. And my one's right there. My one's right there.
Well, we need to go. Is there any more in the crate? No. No, there's only one in crates. Yeah, there's one in the back corner. Yeah, there is a cosmetic in this map.
Get him. Get it.
Oh yeah, I've already got the capybara.
Yeah, same. I already got the capybara.
Bro, I've got about 500 banana books. Speedrunning. I'm not even good at this map. You guys are learning. We are learning. Well, at least me.
I know where every eyeball is. I know where every eyeball is.
Help me! Don't go up with me! I forgot how many eyeballs there are. Is there 8 or 6? 17.
I think there were 8. There's 8.
There's no 7. There isn't 17 eyeballs. Where are you guys? Bro just said there's 17 eyeballs.
There is not 17 eyeballs.
There's 8. There's 8, isn't there?
We're actually speed running.
Imagine there was... Me and Red are doing the most speed running.
I know.
Imagine we're not doing any speed running. We're not even following us. No!
Go. I got the eyeball.
There's one right here, isn't there?
I got the eyeball.
Bro, I can't go over there. My monster is right there. My monster's right there.
Where?
Is it? My monster's camping the eyeball. I found an eyeball. Bro, my monster's right there, look. So you're not lying.
Oh.
Where's your monster?
It's at the cauldron. It's at the green thing. It's at the green thing.
Where mine? Guys, let me get my eyeball.
I know what to go do. Come here. Run as fast as you can and touch the eyeball before I kill you. Run, touch the eyeball.
I just got that one.
Before I kill you. Just run as fast as you can. You got it?
Oh, he had it. He had it.
I think he had it. Yeah, he did have it.
He had it. Guys, I got it. Guys, wait for me.
He added it. Let's go. I knew that would work.
Oh yeah, the 6. The 6.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Opened. Come in.
Oh no.
Oh.
No. No. No.
Who wants to skip this? Who wants to skip this?
I hate this level.
Alright, let's skip
I
it.
hate it.
Level 15. Level
I
15.
hate Skibbity
Let's
Sigmas.
do it, let's do it, let's do it. Our monsters
I
are
hate
pros, so
Skibbity
we don't
Sigmas.
have to... Our monsters are frozen.
Get that. Get that.
I don't know.
Red, you're oh no, Red's over here.
My monster's right.
Right there.
Oh, where's my monster?
I heard my monster.
I can hear my monster.
There's one down there as well.
There's one right there.
Yeah, there's two monsters, ain't there? Oh, there's one right there.
Down there.
Get that one too. Now I'm going up here.
I did not see that.
Bro, Red, there's two clowns, ain't there?
I see you. I see one.
Oh yeah,
there's
clown
even
pet is
more.
down here.
There's
Clown
a
pet
pet
Ow.
in there. There's something. There's a pet in there.
Bro, Red, we just get down.
Red, don't just run off without us.
Bro,
I'm trying to
not
speed run. My monster's right there.
Where?
I can
Where?
hear my monster.
I hear
Let's
my
go
monster.
up again.
My monster's probably above me.
My monster's somewhere.
How do we get over?
Yo, what's good, bro? Unfortunately, you're trying to find something that you lost.
Let's just
but,
go.
there's only these things, and I kind of just, I'm keeping all of them because they're really cool.
Hi. I thought that was a good idea. Went past, I went past.
Mine ain't there, so I can just...
Go on,
Oh, no.
take that.
No. My
My
monster's
monster's
upstairs.
right over there. My monster's right over there. I can go
My
past him
monster's
though.
upstairs.
I see you.
I see one up... There's one in here as well.
Bro, guys, my monster's literally up here.
There's one in here. Go, go, go.
Bro, where's my monster? I can hear my monster.
We went past... My monster's right
Oh,
there.
I can't go over there.
That's why I was
Where?
hearing him. My monster's right near that area. We went...
The last one's over here though. The last one's over there.
My monster's right there. He's blocking
Where?
the
Right here?
entrance.
Right here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
mine's right there. Mine's right there.
Juke him, juke him.
Red, mine's
Just
right
try
there.
juke him.
Red,
I know
mine's
what
right
to do.
behind you.
I know what to do. I
Try
really know what to
this.
do.
Like try juke him.
Come on, guys, come on. Let's go.
Do
I
that.
don't know what I need to do.
Let's go.
Go on here and then. You did it!
I got past it.
But you have to get past it again. Okay? You have to get past it again.
Monster's right near the exit. My monster's right near the exit.
Is it here? Where is it?
No, no. My monster's right here. My monster's right there. My monster's right there.
Try. Well, it's a big gap. Just try go
I
over
went
him.
past it. I went past it. I went past it. I went past
But we need blue again. He's here.
it.
Let's go.
Red 17. Oh,
Oh.
no. No.
This is
I
16.
hate this level so much.
This is 16.
Oh my god.
No, this is 17. We just done
No, this is 16.
17. Oh no. After this level is the army one. That's gonna take forever, the army one.
Red, where'd you go?
I was over there.
I'm in the maze.
Over here.
I'm in the maze.
But there's one
Oh,
over there
damn.
too. Where are you?
I found it. I found the one in the maze.
There's one over here. There's one over here, Red. Blue, 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 blue. There's
I
one
don't
over
know
here.
where you guys are.
I'm in a
Yeah,
maze.
I know that button's there.
Got it, got it. I'm out the maze.
Oh, where's my monster?
Where are you?
Oh no.
Where are you? I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. On top of the building. I'm on top of the building.
I'm going up to the house now.
Please move out of
Train's coming. This is fire.
So where?
Red, can you
Where's
eat
that
some?
monster?
Red, you need to wait for it, man.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Bro, where's Red?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Red in here.
My monster's right there. My monster's right there. He's so loud. My monster's so loud. He's so loud.
So far away.
Up.
Guys, where'd you go?
Look here, Blue, behind you.
Bob, I'm leaving you.
Hi, monster. I know.
I only need one more button. I only need one more
Right
button.
there.
I see.
I only need one more
I
button.
need to get the one over there and the one in the maze.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
I got the one in the maze. I only need one more.
I need
My
to get the
monster.
I see it. I see it. Wait, that's
Guys,
not
we
the
need to
last one. That's not the last
Wait,
one.
guys, you need to show me where the maze was.
the next L train is coming.
I already have it. I have the maze. Come, come. Follow me. Follow me.
Come over here.
They'll go. They'll go. Right there.
I know this one. I knew. Wait, now I'm.
Okay.
No, it's over here. That's the other way.
I'm out.
I'm out too.
Blue. Bro, red. Don't kill him.
I only need one more.
My door's not open.
My door's open.
My door's not.
What, did you get the one on the chimney?
Probably one over here that I didn't get.
Yes.
Bro, it's
I don't
literally
know
by
where mine
the
is then.
entrance of the train track.
There's one more that I need.
I already got
The
one.
entrance of the train track. Guys, follow me.
Wait, did I get that one?
It's over there. It's right over there behind that
That's
train.
the one I need.
I already got that.
There's a little. I need that one.
I already got that.
I need that one. No, my door didn't open. My
I
door
don't
didn't
have-
open.
Red, come here. Red, come here. Red, come here.
My door did not open.
Red, come here. Did you get this?
Get what?
Did you get that one?
I've got one.
Yes.
My door's not open.
Did you get the one over there?
The next L train is
Wait,
coming.
there's one over
Please
there.
move out of the way.
Yes, behind you.
I see it. I got it. I got it. My door is